The initial step to this restoration involved removing the engine and interior for the paintwork phase. After this was done, primer could be properly applied. The first true step in this restoration was repainting the vehicle Mercedes-Benz silver, color code 180. All portions of the exterior and engine bay were painted 180 silver. Prior to stripping paint, the engine was removed for some much needed TLC. Our head mechanic was given the green light for a full engine rebuild, saving what we could and replacing whatever was necessary to allow for peak performance. We happened to strike gold on this project, as the vehicle had the original factory beige undercoat. Often we have to repaint the undercarriage, though we only had to clean off road residue in this case. A rare find and a splendid sight. For the sake of politeness, let's call the interior, previously done by another restorer, business ready, but not exactly up to top industry professional standards. As the interior comes together, we begin to see the cosmetic features reveal themselves as the dream car the owner desired. No portion of the interior experience was left untouched. From the soft and hard tops to the leather and the instruments, the full interior was given the luxury treatment. During this process, the fully rebuilt engine was dropped back in as the project began to come to a close. The footage you will see now is a full walk around by our shop manager, done during the testing phase shortly before the car was sent off to its new owner. The shots you see now are from December 2021, the most up-to-date images available of this vehicle. More can be found on the full listing or in the vehicle's public restoration profile page if desired.